Good evening. For today's for tomorrow's daily cipher for July 26 is go to special, then hanapin si new cards. Ito si Kamala Harris. Yan, go ahead. Then next, new cards pa rin. Ito naman si Bitcoin conference. Go ahead. Yan. Next naman, new cards pa rin. Yung si Telegram Stars Integrated IT team level 16. Kailangan mapa-level 16 natin itong IT team para makuha natin itong si ito po. Ito si Telegram. Ngayon, punta tayo sa PR team. Ito si IT team. Level 50 na yan. Isang level na lang para makuha natin yun. Okay? Ayun. Diba? Okay na yan. Balik tayo doon. Sana yun. New cards. Diba? Okay na. Kunin natin. Ayun. Congratulations daw. Take the prize, 5 million coins. Ayun. Good job, CEO. Goal for today. Achieve. Keep it up and great. Yan. Kompleto na po Yan. Kompleto na po yan. And subscribe and follow and like and share. Thank you po sa lahat. Bye.